Hi guys, it's your girl Christine. Today I'll be showing you another method to make money on ClickBank by giving free gifts to people. In summary, what that means is that we're going to be sending free gifts to people, and we're going to be making free money doing that. It's a step-by-step guide, and the best part is that you can do this without any experience, and you don't have to invest any money. It's a free method to make free money on ClickBank. The first step is to go to the marketplace right here, so we can find an offer on ClickBank that we want to promote. I know in my other videos I talk about how to pick the highest converting offer, but today we're going to take a different approach, and I'm going to get a very underground offer, which is about a dog's healthy lifestyle and for people who want to improve the well-being of their dogs. So in the search box here, I'm going to type dog and let's see what kind of offers. We have brain training for dogs. This is a pretty good offer as well. This offer is also about dog training. And there you have it, Wild Belly Dog Probiotic. And as you can see, it pays you $67 per conversion, pretty good, right? Let's click the promote button and then click generate hop links so we can get our unique affiliate link, which every time somebody clicks this link and purchases the product, we are going to get paid. Copy and paste in a new tab to see what the sales page looks like. This is a video sales page, and if you play the video, it tells you more about the offer. So this is the page you will be driving traffic to. So this is a very underground product offer. I mean, it's not popular, and some people don't even know about this kind of niche. A lot of people are focusing on fitness, health fitness, dieting, nutrition, etc. So this has a pretty good opportunity because this niche about dog trainings is not very saturated. So now we're going to package this offer into a pretty good gift, which is going to be a free PDF book or guide. We are going to provide this for free to people, and this is how we're going to make money by providing free value to our people. So the next step is to go to Google and type free PLR books. And probably you've seen this website in my other videos, but today we're going to take a different approach. So click on this and it will bring you up here. This is a website that provides you with copyright-free ebooks, and you can literally download the book, give it out for free, or even resell them and package them into a different product. We're going to type dog to see what kind of books come up in the search bar, and we have the first book. It's titled Training Your Dog. This is How to Buy a Shock Dog Collar. And here is Dog Owner's Delight, which also goes well with our ClickBank offer too. And here is How to Take Care of Your Dog's Health. Okay, I think I will go with this, Dog Diet. The right food for your dog, so feel free to choose the best fit for your ClickBank offer. We're going to get this book on Dog Diet, the right food for your dog, and this is a book that we're going to download. As seen from the description, it does match our ClickBank offer, and everything is looking pretty. Scroll to click download to have it downloaded on your device. The file drops as a zip file, so you will have to extract it to access the files. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how to drive free traffic to this book so people can download it and learn how to take care of their dog's health. And then we're going to present them with the actual ClickBank offer, which is Wild Belly Dog Probiotic. So while they read on how to improve and take care of their dog's health, we are also providing them with a dietary supplement as a solution. It's a very beneficial way of promoting offers, and they are going to get a lot of value out of these kinds of marketing steps. And there you go. This is a pretty good book. As said previously, it's a free book. You can use it for whatever you want to use it, and you can resell it by sending it to your email list if you have one. But again, today I'm going to show you another pretty cool way that you can use this book to make free money. Make sure that you go through the pages and ensure that they provide good value. Always promote something that provides value to people, because we don't want to promote stuff just to make money. Of course, we want to make money, but at the same time, we want to provide value to people, because the more value we provide, the happier they are. And they're going to come back to us and purchase more of our products. Now, head over to your browser and type Seja. Click it to open the website. It's called Seja.com. This is a free PDF editor, and we will use it to edit this PDF. So I'm going to click on the Upload PDF File button to upload the book we just downloaded. And there you go. So first, head over to ClickBank to copy your affiliate link so we can embed our links on some related phrases or keywords. You might need to pay close attention to this part of the tutorial. use your Control F on the window to find keywords. And here we have dietary supplement. So I will go ahead and embed the link in the mention places. And whenever someone clicks on the link, it will redirect them to our ClickBank offer. And add as many links as you want, but don't abuse it, just do it nicely. And there we go. So I will take off unwanted pages. It seems to be clustering. And over here, you can even promote the dog training offer we saw on the ClickBank marketplace. So I think I will leave this but delete other pages. Now it looks clean and better, right? So click on Apply to affect your changes. And there you go. Our ebook is ready, and let's confirm if our links are working well. And then we're going to start driving traffic to our free ebook. And yes, it takes them to our offer. So just imagine you're reading a book about your dog's health, how to make your dog healthy and all of that, and suddenly you're presented with an offer that enlightens you more about a specific dietary supplement instead of leaving you to scout for dietary supplements in the marketplace, which can be daunted. This is a soft sales pitch you just applied. And now that you have this free ebook, you can distribute this ebook through many online channels. You can even send this to groups or forums through Facebook. And now we are moving on to the most interesting part. Over to this website called free-ebooks.net. This website generates thousands of visits every month. According to SimilarWeb, it gets almost 1 million monthly visits, which is fairly okay. People are visiting this website on a monthly basis, and this is a website only for PDF books. It is dedicated to people who want to just download a free PDF book. And what we want to do here is click on the Join Free button. Create an account with your email, and you will be brought up here. Now click on the Publish button to publish your book. So scroll down to fill out the required details. And when uploading your ebook, please convert it to a Word file for better compatibility. Take your time to fill out these sections using my sample guide. And when you are done, just click on Upload and you will be presented with this page. Don't worry, publishing is 100% free, but make sure you unchecked all of these 3 to proceed. Now click on the Submit Without Promo, and that's it. So once it has been reviewed, just a heads up. This is organic traffic, and your page will not start ranking on the first page yet. But the good thing is that after a while, your book will become visible to people when they search for the term dog. And when you read your book and click on our links, it will redirect them to our ClickBank. And when they make any purchase, you will be getting $67. So grab your URL and go over to Facebook and drive even more traffic here. In the search bar, I have typed dog health, and here are different groups related to dog health. As you can see, these groups and pages have a lot of members, and what you can do is to join these groups and start sending a free ebook. Who doesn't want a free ebook, right? We're not going to try to promote them or sell them any products. We're just giving them free ebooks to learn how they can improve their dog's health, dieting, and all of that. And as they read through it, they learn about our recommended dietary supplement. Everybody wants a recommendation at some point, right? And that's about it for today. I hope you learned something, and I hope you enjoyed this free tutorial. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Please hit the like button, and if you haven't, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers!